not losing weight. HIIT exercises to boost your metabolism. A high-intensity interval training, HIIT, workout can help burn more calories and boost your slow metabolism. Practice these HIIT exercises at home to see quick results. You must have come across a gazillion types of workout for weight loss. But have you tried HIIT exercises? Short for high-intensity interval training, these exercises are great for burning calories and losing weight. HIIT alternates between high-intensity exercises with short recovery periods, which is great for fat loss and endurance. When it comes to metabolism, these exercises are a game changer. It spikes your metabolic rate and keeps it elevated for hours after the workout. Try HIIT exercises, can help to rev up a sluggish metabolism and help with weight loss. What is a HIIT workout? A HIIT, high-intensity interval training, workout is a type of exercise that alternates between short bursts of intense activity and brief periods of rest or lower intensity movement. This type of workout is specially designed to push your body to its limits, making you burn more calories in less time. Many people do not even know that HIIT continues to burn calories even after the workout, thanks to its positive effect on the metabolic rate of the body. Plus, HIIT workouts are great for heart health and can improve your strength and endurance. It is quick, effective, and needs no specific types of equipment to perform the exercises.
HIIT workout exercises for weight loss.
HIIT is a cardio workout that allows you to rest between intense exercises, which lasts between 10-30 minutes. This workout can include exercises such as sprinting, biking, jumping rope, or various bodyweight exercises. HIIT not only burns calories effectively, but also boosts your metabolic rate, helping you burn more calories even at rest. So, know best HIIT exercises to speed up your metabolism. 1. Mountain climbers. The constant motion helps spike your heart rate, which is key for calorie burning and fat loss. It also increases your metabolism, which will remain elevated long after the workout is over. Start in a plank position, with your arms straight and your body in a straight line. Quickly bring one knee up toward your chest, then switch legs, mimicking a running motion. Focus on maintaining your core stability while moving your legs quickly. 2. Burpees. This is one of the most effective full-body exercises that involves a squat, jump, and push-up, making them a powerhouse to boost metabolism and burn fat. How do you keep track of your workouts? Fitness app, wearable devices, and journals. What is your favorite way to stay active during a working day? Desk exercises, walking breaks. Chair squats, climbing stairs. Stand tall and then squat down and place your hands on the floor. Jump your feet back into a plank position, do a push-up, then jump your feet forward to your hands and explode upward into a jump. 3. Punches.
Punches are a great way to incorporate cardio and upper body work into your routine. This exercise strengthens your arms, shoulders, and core while increasing your heart rate for a high metabolism rate. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent, and hands in front of your face. Throw punches forward as fast as you can, alternating between your left and right hands. Keep your core tight and your punches sharp. 4. Jumping lunges. This plyometric exercise targets your lower body, especially your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. It builds muscle and helps boost metabolism. Start in a lunge position with 1 foot forward and 1 foot back. Jump explosively, switching legs mid-air, and land softly in a lunge with the opposite leg forward. 5. Push-ups with torso rotation. This exercise works your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, making it a highly effective movement for building muscle and boosting metabolism. Start in a plank position and perform a standard push-up. As you rise back up, rotate your torso and extend one arm toward the ceiling, creating a side plank. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. 6. V-tucks. This exercise engages your hip flexors and lower abs, strengthens your core, and helps to improve balance. Sit on the floor with your hands slightly behind you for support. Lift your legs and torso off the ground, pulling your knees toward your chest while bringing your upper body forward in a tuck position. Extend your legs back out without letting them touch the ground. 7. Plank jacks. This is one of the best exercises to burn calories, improve cardiovascular endurance, and strengthen your core muscles. It provides both cardio and core strength benefits. Start in a plank position with your arms straight and body aligned. Jump your feet out wide, like a jumping jack, then back together, keeping your core tight and hips steady throughout the movement. 8. High knee jacks. High knee jacks are a fun, high-intensity exercise that targets your legs, glutes, and core. Begin by raising one knee toward your chest while simultaneously swinging your opposite arm overhead like a jumping jack. Alternate legs as quickly as possible, keeping your core engaged. 9. Forward jumps. This move engages your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, helping to burn fat and build lean muscle. It's a great way to boost metabolism. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, squat down slightly, and then jump forward as far as you can, landing softly with bent knees. Turn around, jump back to your starting point, and repeat the move. 10. Body extensions. This move works your legs, glutes, core, and shoulders, making it great for increasing muscle tone and boosting metabolism. Lower into a squat, then push through your heels and stretch upward into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. 7 other tips to boost metabolism. Eat a protein-rich diet to increase your metabolism, which can help you burn more calories. Apart from HIIT workouts, lifting weights helps build muscle, burns more calories than fat, and keeps your metabolism engaged. Drink green tea because it contains antioxidant properties that may help burn fat. Getting enough sleep is crucial, as poor rest slows metabolism. Eat small, frequent meals to keep your metabolism active throughout the day. Add spicy foods to your diet. They contain capsaicin, which can give a temporary boost to your metabolism. Avoid stress as it can increase the production of cortisol hormones, increasing the risk of weight gain. With HIIT workouts and these tips, you can see positive changes in your metabolic rate. Average workout duration. Perform each exercise for 30 seconds or aim for 10 to 20 repetitions. Sets, 3 sets per exercise. Rest, 10 seconds after each set. Rest break, after completing 3 exercises, take a 1-minute rest. Conclusion on HIIT exercises. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is one of the most effective workouts for burning calories, boosting metabolism, and improving overall fitness in a short amount of time. Its unique structure of alternating between bursts of intense activity and brief recovery periods maximizes fat loss, builds muscle, and enhances cardiovascular health. The best part? HIIT continues to burn calories even after the workout ends, thanks to its lasting impact on your metabolic rate. Whether you're aiming to lose weight, increase endurance, or improve strength, HIIT offers a time-efficient, versatile, and highly effective approach. It requires minimal equipment and can be tailored to any fitness level, making it accessible for everyone. Incorporating HIIT into your routine can help you reach your fitness goals faster while keeping your workouts fresh and challenging.
The information provided here is intended for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional advice and should not be construed as such. The content is based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to individual circumstances.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.